Hi, this is the entry of the flat. This is the main gate. This is the main gate. Now I am entering to the apartment. This is the main gate. This is the collapsible gate. This is roof. This direction just opposite to the roof. This is the entry. This is living dining. This is living dining. This is open kitchen. This is open kitchen. All racks, everything is ready. This is a basin. This is a aquaguard. This is freeze. Light jali the light. This is one room. This is one room. Almirah is there. Dressing table is there. This is attached balcony. This is attached balcony. This is access balcony from the room. This is room. This is one common toilet. Aslam. This is bedroom. This is attached toilet. Curtain. This is AC. And everything is there. Everything is there. Curtain. Bed. Chairs. Everything is ready.